Hello viewers, today we are making delicious pork belly. Now I know here in the US, pork belly is mostly an Asian dish, at least from what I've seen. But today I'm showing you something a little bit different. This is a Kenyan recipe for pork belly. It is savory and very delicious, also a little bit spicy. And yeah, if you try this recipe, please do let me know what you think. But I think you will love it. Okay, let's get cooking. So I have with me here a slab of pork belly, which I've cut up into some nice cubes. And now I'm going to start cooking this. Add it to a pot and season it with just salt to taste, some garlic powder, and some black pepper. I'm not adding any liquid. Just go ahead and toss your pork a little bit to get the seasoning distributed. And then you're going to cover this and simmer until it's released all of its liquid and now it's beginning to render its fat. So that's going to be maybe 45 minutes depending on the heat level you use. But cook it until it's nicely done and then you're going to start browning it. So toss it occasionally, let it brown in its own fat and it's gonna render so much fat. So you can I like it, I like to brown it to like medium brown, not overdoing it because then it will toughen up. So when it's browned to your liking, at least to this level, you're going to drain your pork off the fat and then you're going to also reduce that fat oil. Just reduce it and then keep a little bit on the pot. And now you're going to saute some onion. We want to add flavor to that pork, right? Add some ginger garlic paste. You could also just use garlic alone, and then some chili peppers and bell peppers. For spiciness, of course, if you want to omit the spice level, remove the peppers, but that's also chili sauce I'm adding there for additional spice. And now I'm going to return the pork back to the pot, and then I'm just going to toss it until it's nicely seasoned. And yeah, so like I said, the dish is salty and savory. So toss it until everything is nicely coated like so. And then finish off with garlic, with parsley. You could also use cilantro here. Toss it for another minute, just until the parsley is nicely mixed in there. And your dish is ready to serve. So in Kenya, we would typically serve this with ugali, which is like a cornmeal side. But you enjoy your pork belly in whichever way you like. And please do let me know how it turned out. Guys, I think you will love this recipe. So, for a bit of change from the typical recipes, which are usually sweet. So yeah, that is what the pork looks like. Oh, of course, I want to show you what it looks like on the inside. So let's take a bite here. It's very juicy, very tender, and packed with flavor. So guys, I hope you love this recipe. I see you again. Bye bye.